The hard facts about relationships. When a married man wants you, it's never about attraction. It's about something deeper, darker, and complicated than you think. आप मुझे बताइए एक आदमी जो शादीशुदा है उसका अपना घर है he is chasing another woman. It's not love he is offering, it's escape. Simple. And जब वो आपके पास आता है so he is going to make you feel special that you are the lady who understands me better than my wife. He'll tell about his house that how his wife is not good for him. He wants comfort without consequences. A married man, he doesn't fall for you. He falls for the version of himself that you make him feel like. भाई आपके आसपास he is not like that tired husband. He is more like a lover. Okay. And he is a man who still wants to be that way. And that's dangerous because he is not trying to build future. He is just trying to pass his time or he's just trying to relive a feeling. He will always tell you it's complicated and काश तुम मुझे पहले मिली होती तो मैं तुमसे शादी कर लेता. सच तो ये है कि जो राइट मैन है ना वो कभी भी रॉन्ग टाइम पे नहीं आता. He makes time for any person whom you love. He'll always make time for you. And आप मुझे एक बात बताइए कि अगर कोई आदमी आपसे ट्रूली लव करता है why will he want to hide you behind silence? Why will he only message you as per his convenience? And why will he only message late night or early morning and at odd hours? Why? Always remember one thing. कई बार आप ऐसे रिलेशन में फंस जाते हैं so you get stuck between guilt and hope and आप सोचते हैं शायद लव ऐसा ही होता है. But no, love is not like that. No matter what he says, if he loved you the way you deserve, he wouldn't put you in a position where your heart has to compete with a wedding ring. कितने सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो they are married, they get they are in a relationship, but when they decide to get married they always take formal divorce from their partner and then they are together. ये लोग जो अपनी वाइफ को भी नहीं छोड़ते एंड रिलेशनशिप में भी कंटिन्यू करना चाहते हैं यू गॉट टू बी वेयर विद दीज पीपल. एंड जो लोग इस सिचुएशन में फंसे हैं लाइक दिस G2, I will just say anybody who is in the same boat as in G2, you have to just remember one thing that अगर आप इस सिचुएशन में फंसे हैं it is not destiny knocking at your door. It's a temptation dressed as affection. It's attention that feels like love, but it disappears when it comes to choose. ऐसे लोग अगर आप जब से इस सिचुएशन में फंसेंगे ना जब इनको चूज़ करना होगा they will always choose their wife and their family. तो जितनी जल्दी आप इनसे दूर walk away करें it will be good for your mental peace.